Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Unreal. Let me show you how to easily create mountains like this. I just holding left mouse button and creating nice environment, nice mountains, and so on. So let's start. The first step is going to this video and click over here, old alpha brushes. Over here you can just hit download. Okay, just save it to the desktop. And now you can just double click it to open it and extract this here. And when you go to your Unreal Engine, just in the content folder, you can just drag and drop alpha brushes, the whole folder. The next step is if you open this folder, you will see these brushes. So let's go to the landscape. And if I go to the landscape and select this alpha brush, and you can see this texture over here. So if I make it up, you can see the texture is creating the landscape. So you need to change that, select over here the texture and select any of these alpha brushes over here and click this arrow button. And if you click and hold, you will create these mountains. Change the brush size and change the brushes over here. Select, for example, this brush and create a mountain over here and over here. If I go F11, you can see how easy it is to create the mountains like this. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below and check out the channel for a few new tutorials about Unreal Engine 5. Bye bye.